In this tutorial you will learn how to fix the Xbox app error, game feature failed to load, while trying to install Call of Duty Black Ops 6. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Apps. Open Installed Apps. In the search bar type Call of Duty. Now uninstall all the files related to Call of Duty. To do this, click on the three dots and select Uninstall. Press Uninstall again. If Steam or any other app opens, just hit Uninstall again. After uninstalling all leftover files from Call of Duty, you can now try installing Call of Duty Black Ops 6. If you're still unable to install Call of Duty, then try to install it using the Microsoft Store. If these tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.